Hello and welcome back to Growing Family Garden. It's Easter weekend, the sun is shining and we thought we'd show you what we've been up to since we last did a garden tour. A couple of weeks ago we sorted these patios out, we gave them a good power wash and started weeding. Our coffee table is actually a recycled fire pit, and on the inside we've actually replaced the grid and we planted some alpine plants and we put in some of Becky's statues. Our hedge is springing up nicely. It's lovely when all of these trees are in full leaf. It feels like we're really enclosed in. This year we're doing our potatoes in buckets. We actually got these 30-gallon buckets as a recommendation. I've seen a lot of people using them and they seem like a pretty good idea. So we've got 5 buckets of the first early potatoes, and last weekend we also planted up our second early potatoes. I must admit, all the years that we've done growing potatoes so far, this is probably my favourite way. It saves us putting them in the ground, missing them, digging them up, and we can just harvest them bit by bit, time at a time, and we know that we've got lots of fresh potatoes. Into the veg plot. So we've got our Sturon onions in the ground, followed by our Hercules. We started these off in module trays around the 20th of February. They have got a little bit burnt from being in the greenhouse, just while we've waited until the Easter holidays to put them in the ground. And we've got a couple of rows of pak choi and some mustards. We've got our next succession sowing of lettuce, and we have some salad rocket down at the bottom. We have also sown some peas. These will be sugar snap peas. So we've done quite a thick sowing of these all the way across and all the way along the other side of that as well. Some spinach in the ground. So these are the dreadnought variety of broad beans, so they're going to grow quite tall. But in amongst all this, we've also got our broad beans planted up, so it'll be exciting to see what comes up. Our strawberry patch is looking quite good. If you can see, we've got some nice flowers on our strawberries already. In here we do have kale, so I've given this quite a lot of space in. We do have some leeks in the ground. These are looking a little bit weedy at the minute, but hopefully they will start picking up a little bit of steam. And then we've got some chard in there. This is rainbow chard. Get that out. There's a few. Always weeding. Hello Ember. Our chickens are actually in chicken lockdown at the moment because there is avian flu about. Our fruit hedge is coming along lovely. So this is my favourite part of the fruit hedge. This is our honeyberry. We have our blueberries, red or white currant, not sure which, honeyberry, red or white currant, not sure which, and 2 more honeyberries. We do need to cover this up at some point to stop the birds getting from them. So let's take us into the greenhouse, see what we've got going on in there. It's a nice way to get our salads at the beginning of the year. Our main crop potatoes are sat chitting away. Looking really good actually. Tumbling tomatoes because we want edible hanging baskets this year. Our peppers are looking quite nice. These courgettes are a little bit leggy. I'm really happy with how these cucumbers have germinated and how they're looking. This variety, our aromas, are not doing too badly, but the red cherry and the moneymaker are not feeling too good. So these might need a bit of a pot on, bit of TLC. But these are the seeds that we sowed not too long ago in the video where all three of us did some flower seeds, so they're coming along nicely. One of our clematis is just starting to flower. This one's stunning. The wild garlic is in flower at the back. Our buddleias are starting to leaf up. And how stunning is this red acer? And this is our cottage border. As you can see, it's starting to come to life. These hellebores have been fantastic this year. They're absolutely stunning. Our hostas are just starting to raise their heads. And into our shaded border. I've been through every last inch of soil in this bed, and up until now, good news, the bindweed is gone. However, one bit, it's hard because we do have it under the paving, so this just needs to keep being removed every time that I see it. Now over something that I'm not very proud of, but this is warts and all. This bed is absolutely riddled with bindweed. We put in our rhubarb, which is just fantastic. It's growing so well. Then we do have some fruit bushes along the back, but I am really tempted to continue with our laurel hedge all the way across here and move the fruit bushes and the rhubarb somewhere different. So as you can see, we've got 4 sticks in the ground. This is for our new little project for next week. This is going to become a new raised bed. Our apple tree is also recovering from a really heavy prune that we did a couple of videos ago now. As you can see, the blossom is still coming, and where we did prune it quite hard, if we can go right up to the top and see the cuts, it is now actually starting to bud up, and it should all be coming good in the next couple of weeks. So that was our April and Easter garden tour. We're going to go now and enjoy the last little bit of sun in our garden this Easter weekend. If you like what we're doing, hit subscribe so that you can see Growing Family Garden every time that we post a new video. See you later.